I've got sweaty palms. I'm so scared. Answer the phone.
I'm actually gonna wet myself. You look really distressed. What's happening now?
Clicking.
That's the scissors.
He's getting the scissors. Fuck.
It gets worse in a minute. It gets the razor out.
I can't deal with this. My palms are so sweaty. Oh.
You have to keep it on until I tell you, okay?
What are you doing?
Oh, you wait. You got to keep it on until I tell you.
It sounds like he's up there.
Maybe he is.
He sounds like he's in the room.
Weird, isn't it? Have you look really distressed? Have you ain't here? Stop looking.
He sounds